this mean? It means that today I'm going to teach you how to cook the chicken curry. These are all the ingredients. Now, we proceed in cooking the chicken curry. The first thing to do is to place the cooking oil, and then next we will drop the ginger julienne, at least one half cup of ginger. At the same time with the garlic slices, and let it brown. We stir fry, let it wait for the garlic to be a golden brown. Then next we will place the onion. Onion slices, and next is the meat. We have chosen the backbone, the chicken legs, and the wings because these are the tasty parts of the chicken. The wings, the backbone, and the legs. These are the tasty parts of the chicken. So now we will drop them here. Maybe I will leave some slices because this is too much. This one. Our pan is small for that amount, so just half of that. Okay. And then next we will place the carrots. And this is the taro, and this is carrots. They can go at the same time. And we will let it simmer for about 15 minutes. We will wait for this to be half cooked. Then we will proceed to place the vegetable. While waiting 15 minutes, you must have to mix the meat and the flavors and the spices to be sure that it will not stick to the pan. To let it taste, place the nor cubes, the chicken cubes, to make it tasty, more yummy. Now, we will add okra. These are okra. Sliced in julienne style, and also the eggplants. Place them all. Okay. And then add the green peppers. These are hot. Let's add them like that. And also the string beans. Okay. Then we will mix also the curry powder. Okay. Here's the curry powder that will make this dish the chicken curry. Okay. Mix that, Marco, please.
No problem.
While mixing the stuff, I will mix the red peppers to make it a little bit hot and spicy. This will add a kick. Have you noticed that there are 2 bowls of coconut milk here? This one is the concentrated one. The first one we squeezed without water, and this one with the hot water, warm water, and then we squeeze. That will be the used to be the soap. And this one will be the final to have the additional taste of the milk. This is concentrated, and this one will be the last one to be placed, and the salt and pepper to finalize the taste. Okay. Now we will now add the coconut milk. Yummy. This will be surely yummy. And then we will let it simmer 3 minutes. Then we will come back. This is the concentrated coconut milk. The coconut milk that we will add so that it will become creamy and more tasty. Then mix them together. Then now add the onion leaves. Maybe add a tablespoon of salt to taste. And the final touch, the black pepper. What we noticed here is that the curry powder is lacking. Maybe I will add this. You will add this all. Okay, and that is final. For another 3 minutes. Let's taste this very famous chicken curry. Now, this is the final action. This is the tomato. Okay. Oh, yummy. Delicious! Buono! The yummiest ever.